Hey guys, how's it going today? Today's the big day. I got all the parts I need. I got the rebuild kit from England for the crank. Today's the big day that I tear down. So without ado, I'm going to start on that. I'll probably stop here and there because it's pretty nice out and I got some stuff I need to paint outside, so it'll be back and forth. But this is a big weekend. Hopefully I can get the whole thing rebuilt. Unfortunately for you guys, it'll be broke up into a couple videos. Otherwise it'd be a super long video. So let me get started here. Wrenches out. That's a 12. It's been a couple weeks. I actually went and bought a set of metric sockets, so I got the bigger nuts off here. Just popped onto my impact. Got them off. Only one I didn't do, I don't know why I didn't do that. Anyways, so here we are. Despite it sitting for a couple weeks, this thing is leaking all over the place. So let me take the clutch basket back off. So one problem I've noticed here is this definitely has a little bit of play. Not to mention, it is chewed up. So I may end up actually just getting a new housing. May save me some issues here down the road. Shoot. This goes on the back side. Okay. I think that goes there. Whoops. Probably have to look into that. Alright, so let's get this stuff off here. And continue on. I'll try to put clutch stuff together here. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Got my puller set. I don't know if any of these are metric. Oop. That is. I have 2 of those. I need 3. Well, this is going to set me behind again. Let's standard. That's standard. I have 3 of these. Should probably run a thread chaser down these. Clean them up a little bit. Make sure I have the right size. I don't really want to take a second trip outside tonight. I also don't want to screw these up. So, got it broke loose. I put some coil around it, let it soak overnight with pressure. Went ahead, pulled it all back apart, and I made sure that these could be screwed in finger tight. Basically just chase the threads on those. And I was messing with the wrench again, the 9/16 wrench, and I said, well, I thought to myself, this is taking a little bit. So I gave the impact a go, and boy did it just buzz right off. So that would be my tip to anyone, is to go ahead and use an impact. I didn't really want to, that one's still a little tight. There we go. I didn't really want to really beat on it, mess up the threads on my puller, but it worked out pretty good. Let me get some of the tools out of the way here. Why are we stuck here? Okay, so here we are. I got it cleaned up a little bit more. At least we can see what we're doing. And I can kind of pull some of this other stuff off. So we can kind of get around. That was loose. That's fine. No problems there, surely. I cleaned up a lot of the other parts as well since I was cleaning on this. A tip, gasoline will take this paint off, so heads up. Should probably make a 2 clean pile yet and a just a 2 clean pile and a clean pile. Alright, so I think this screw holds it there. This screw holds it there. This one I can pull out. I just put back in for temporary. Okay. this to the floor. Okay, that worked. So what I did was I just set this on the floor, beat the crankshaft onto it, and got this off. So here's the first look at it. I would like to put this back onto this. Here's our first look. So there's a bunch of gunk down here, which I fully expected. Bearings don't look bad. Nothing looks too terribly bad. I'm going to kind of clean it up. Got to get the crankshaft out. That's key for me to rebuild this. Pressing this apart is going to be a little bit trickier than I thought, but way trickier than this guy. But got the transmission in here. I might make something to fit motors in here, like a stand or something, at some point. Pretty smart. I'll clean this side out. Look over my gear set here. None of these look bad. Nothing looks too terribly bad. It's all dirty, which I'll spray down, clean up. That bearing is going to be pretty easy to replace. I don't know. Bearings don't feel too bad. The trick is going to be though getting this guy out. So that bearing's probably going to be shot, especially because I'm probably going to have to put some heat to it. I don't want to tear up this. I hope I haven't already. Wailing on it, but maybe I can give it the old taparoo down here like I did on the other one. See if that works. I doubt it, but it's just eating the wood. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put some heat to this tomorrow. Probably going to try to clean it up tonight. And put bearings in it tomorrow. Press them in, press them out. That's the name of the game. I don't know if I bought the needle bearings for this though. That feels crunchy. I'll clean it, see how it turns out. Definitely get some of this gunk out. There's dirt and stuff, which to be honest I probably got in there at some point in time. But this definitely wasn't that race ready, especially with a crank that's so. It's been well abused, and you can see I put RTV on it at one point in time. So I'll get this all cleaned up and then start reassembly. Probably won't do a video on the crank, but probably don't care too much about that. So maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. I haven't decided at this point. Really, I just need to get it back together for the race. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys check out some of my other videos. Definitely go check out the website. Let's try to support Florence. I'd like to be at this race continuously. If they do it again next year, I'd love to go again. Maybe I'll have a different bike. Maybe I'll do a whole nother bike rebuild, especially since I have time. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Have a good day.